time to work with. Gadin, familiar shot, and gets it to trickle in. Defended by Rocha. Kick out, 3 on the way. Knocks it down. Mako with his 4th point. Vico setting up Tang off the glass for 2.
There itong si Mitra.
Aremado for 3. Gets his first to go. To shoot, Torres. Might have been deflected. Ba throws it up to Balubar. Excellent fade to the two-handed slammer.
To be put back into the game. Speaking with Tristan, he said there are no expectations.
LPU.
Chavez nahanap sa loob. The reverse will fall. Third opportunity. Vico, lilipad. Gets another bucket. They swing it to Balubar. Ba. Able to get the chain. Their first half of action. Gadin, that Hesse. Scoops it up and gets the roll. Balik sila kay Ba. Another triple. Gets his third off the ball game. Vico. Attacks the lane. Blocked by Lacuso.
Just a little bit off with that alley-oop pass. Masyadong malapit sa basket.
Volante. Gandang iwas. Fortunis attempt. Nice tap from Laran but falls to the hands of Jose. Streaking down court and completes the layup. Cup. Volante for 3. Gets his second of the ball game. God. Inside, Terry Mark with a scoop. Mitra. To bully his way inside. Gets the foul and the basket. Underneath the Chavez. Blocked by Aremado.
Didn't see Aremado right behind him. Ito si De Chavez.
Overshoots. Ako able to keep it alive. Missing on the putback. Another rebound. Balubar finally gets it. They go down low. Lopez with a hook. Gadin trying to escape the defense of Lacusong. Series of moves. Finds himself free once again. Another bucket.
Point lead for LPU. Oh!
Nakaw naman, David Jose.
Oh, mix-up. Ang laking mix-up ng